This is Dr. Dennis B. Anderson. On February 11th, 2019, I started a blog to provide more information and support for readers of my book, Trading E-mini Stock Index Futures. The blog also links to and is an expansion of information and chart studies in these previous 4 YouTube videos. The indexes have risen about 40% since I wrote the book nearly 3 years ago, which has increased profit opportunities. In the blog, I will provide calculation updates, especially with Model 2. Enjoy those index bites. The blog address is visible on the screen, www.andersoneminiTrading.com. I provide market commentary and more specific detail in how to profitably trade these E-mini futures. This includes more information about margins, setting market stops, and ways to fine-tune trading decisions. I also tell you what my specific trades are. You're welcome to trade along with me. I want every serious reader of my book to be a successful trader. When I am available, I am posting the blog every Tuesday and Thursday morning about 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Please tell others about this blog and join me on this trading journey.